Okay, here we are with Charlie Kristine about to do a photo shoot. I'll leave her info below and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's see what we got lighting wise. Nice. Let me bring this over here a little more. We're doing a double strip box setup here, which is nice because you can get just the sides sometimes if you want it, but you can adjust the lights to get exactly what you want. Give yourself some nice shadows. Okay, let's see what we got now. Oh, that's very pretty. That's very pretty.
Oh yeah, that came out nice.
Very nice. Okay, just enough shadow.
I like the strip boxes.
Yeah, me too. It's my favorite setup, actually.
It's one of my favorites.
Very nice. Pretty. And all the dogs barking in the background. Nice. Very nice. Very pretty.
Itchy nose, sorry.
Oh, pretty. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Excellent. Very nice expressions there, wasn't it?
I think I like this.
I like it. Very nice. Love it. These are beautiful. I'm going to get a higher angle on some of these. So let me pull this in here. See if I can do this without falling.
Don't do that. No falling.
No falling. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Very nice. Okay. Pretty. Nice. Let's do some more laying that direction. There we go. Very nice. I like that. Nice. There we go. I like that. That's good. Looks nice and cozy. Nice. Excellent. Nice. Okay. Those are pretty. Man.